What you doing next?
Going to sleep.
I thought you was on that phone. I thought you were playing on that phone.
You all in my ear. Chill out. Yeah, you gonna get kicked out.
No.
Let's cut all that out.
I smell like.
Jonathan.
Yeah.
You need to chill out. Okay, hush.
Oh, where's my frog? Pool buddy, I told you to get it from Pool. I did.
Go to sleep.
Well, I don't know. It was behind the wall. My frog was behind that wall.
Good.
And then I picked it up, but I actually dropped it on the floor. No. Yes, I do. You're supposed to be going to sleep. Cover over your head so you can go to sleep. Why you covering out your face?
Because you trifling.
I'm covering my mouth. The coughing is coming. No, I can't, because I will get your covers dirty. My feet feel like the skin is coming off.
Good.
My feet feel like it's so skinny.
Good.
I'm going to be so glad to go to summer camp.
Good.
I'm so glad to go to summer camp.
Go to sleep so you can get up in the morning.
What down? I'm going to burst up. I'm going to wake up and burst up. Water's falling on me.
Wow.
Now the phone not on me anymore because I can see that light under there.
Okay.
We have cockroaches, and black with them birds that look like cockroaches, and then we have June birds up in the house. And then we have wasps. No, that wasn't the wasp, that was the June bird. And you know what else kind of bugs we have? We have beetles that hops up in the house.
Y'all need to go to sleep. Stop.
And we used to have a lizard in here sometimes. We have a lizard in here sometimes. The next time I see a lizard, I'm not going to get it out the house. I'm just leave this lizard in the house. I'm going to put it on Pooh. I'm going to put it on Pooh because he's so bad. I'm going to put that lizard on Pooh in Pooh's mouth. So he's going to... It's a llama!
Jonathan, go to bed.
He's going to go like that. Because whenever I bring a lizard at school, I'm going to let it go so it's a crawl on that fire alarm everywhere. And on my camera.
Yeah, eat bad kids like y'all. Go to sleep.
How lizards eat bad kids and I can step on a lizard?
Go to sleep.
Oh yeah, the last time the lizard was in the bathroom and I stepped on it, the blood came from out of it. It was so nasty.
I'm pulling my cover.
I'm getting under there.
No, you're not. You're under your own cover. Move.
I'm already under my own cover. The heartache and the money can't tell me nothing. Why that phone still staying on?
Because it can.
Is doing better every day?
No.
Huh? It stays off every day?
Yeah.
Why? Because it needs to charge?
Yeah. Stop, boy.
I want to flip it over so we can see.
No.
Like this. Like this.
Go to sleep.